How to buy SignalGate token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 8 hours ago and increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 6 in the Solana section now. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your function wallet for that. Click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Click I understand. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see next to that token. To select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider. Now, as you can see, select Jupiter, for example, click on apply. Now go back and click here on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy SignalGate token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.